Try it again. Started off as a little kid playing with toys and matchboxes and race cars. It evolved into a drag racing career and an automotive repair career.
I would say doing what I do is giving me a pretty decent life. I mean, it's a career. It's something that you have to learn to do, and it's something that you have to like to do. So.
Well, with today's vehicles, they're quite complicated to work on. So labor is very intensive today, and parts are getting expensive. Well, with the introduction of computers and electronics, it's caused our diagnostics to be much more intense. You got to remember, the engineers are not in the field repairing these vehicles. They design them on a computer.
Every day is a challenge because every car that's built has more technology than the last car. Yeah, well, I mean, this place started a long time ago, and I mean, now the guy that owns the place is a retired race car driver, and this place is being kept alive because of that memory of that man right there. And when he passed away, he left it to a person that he really liked that worked here, and now the owner.
He now runs the ship, I run the shop, and we work together to keep things going. Throughout the years, we've evolved to keep up with the times